First, the shoulder straps are adjustable, and the pockets easily hold 3 days of gear. See those MOLLE webbing? They can be attached to any of your packs. The interior is also smooth and comfortable. The quick release buckle makes it easy to get out the door quickly. Now let's look at the front. The admin pocket is great for maps or trauma scissors. The magazine will feel solid, it won't shake when you load a mag. Oh, check this out. Hard flap pocket. It can hold a standard 10x12" ceramic magazine. The waistband also adjusts with a simple pull for a comfortable fit. Snugly to the torso and doesn't shake when running. It distributes the weight better than my previous Cry.